brakes and slide your rift on the suicide shift. And slide your rift on the suicide shift. Join the fun and slide your rift. Just cut your brakes and slide your rift